Are you ready to take your creativity to the next level? Today we're diving into Runway AI's image to video generator, the perfect tool for transforming static images into stunning, dynamic videos. Whether you're a beginner or just curious about AI tools, this guide is for you. Let's get started. Step 2. Setting up your account. To begin, head over to Runway AI's website and sign up for an account. If you're new, don't worry. It's super quick and beginner friendly. Once you're in, you'll see a dashboard full of amazing tools. For today, we're focusing on image to video. Step 3. Uploading your image. Click on the image to video tool and you'll be prompted to upload your image. Choose something simple yet creative. A portrait, landscape, or even your own artwork. Drag and drop your file or select it from your computer. Step 4. Customizing the animation. Now comes the fun part. Runway AI offers multiple animation styles to bring your image to life. Play around with movement, zoom, and transitions. Want a dramatic pan or subtle fade? It's all here. You can preview your animation as you tweak the settings. Step 5. Enhancing with AI effects. Next, explore the advanced AI effects. Add lighting adjustments, dynamic backgrounds, or even motion blur to make your video pop. It's as easy as selecting your favorite effect and applying it. Step 6. Exporting your video once you're happy with the result. Click Export. Choose your video resolution. Runway AI supports high-quality exports perfect for social media or presentations. Save your file, and you're ready to share your masterpiece. And that's it. Your image has transformed into a stunning video with just a few simple steps. Whether you're creating content for work or play, Runway AI makes it so easy to unleash your creativity. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share your creations in the comments below. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching.